Hi everyone, welcome to the Winchester Public Library's online tutorial on how to use Ancestry.com Library Edition online resource. The Ancestry Library Edition is typically available for in-library use only, but currently can be accessed from home by Winchester residents. To start, go to the Winchester Public Library's webpage at winpublib.org. You can choose the option What We Have and click on the downward arrow. A new menu opens up. Choose either Resources A to Z or choose Resources by Subject. For now, I'm going to choose Resources by Subject. On this page, if you scroll down, you will see Genealogy. When you choose Ancestry Library, it will bring you to the page where you can enter your 14-digit library card number. This is the home page of the Ancestry Library Edition. Before we try a simple search, let us explore some of the options on the home page. As you can see, there are different categories for you to explore, including United States Census records. Let us explore the tools available here. The search option allows you to search various categories. The message board is very useful if you are trying to find people outside of United States. If you choose the Learning Center option, there are research tips and tutorials available. Charts and Forms option allows you to download blank forms that will keep your research organized. New collections show you the new additions to the Ancestry database. Let us try a simple search. We can search for Winchester resident Ernest Dudley Chase. As you can see, there are more than 300,000 results. To narrow the search, we can select the 1800s since he was born in 1878. You can further narrow the search by these filters. This result looks promising. Hope you liked this short tutorial, and the Winchester Public Library staff thanks you for using the library.